Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Venmo to PayPal. So first, if you're looking for an inside ad tutorial, this is not the video for you. I'm outside the US at the moment and I cannot access Venmo. So how to add Venmo to PayPal? Of course, you'll need to go and log in into your accounts first. And first of all, if you want to add like Venmo to your PayPal as, I don't know, if you are a seller and you're trying to add Venmo as a payments provider, let me just show you that. So basically how it works, as you can see, people will be able to see Venmo as well with PayPal. So on the mobile, of course, they will be able to see Venmo as there as well, as you can see. So people will be able to pay. So all you need to do, of course, how to pay with Venmo integration, you can simply know before you code. If you are a new merchant, you'll have to sign up for a PayPal business account, then complete the get started, set up everything, and complete the PayPal checkout integration. Then to add the Venmo button, of course, you'll have to add JavaScript SDK code to display the Venmo button on your product's checkouts pages. Determine where the SDK should render the Venmo button, and or you can use button options to control the layouts button. And as you can see, all you need to do is just copy this code and add it, and this step result will be like that. You can test this and go live, test this by your own, and you should be good to go. This if you want to add it if you are a buyer. So what is Venmo and how does it look like? Of course, that's if you want to add Venmo to PayPal. So basically, Venmo is a social payment service example and etc. So you already know what Venmo is. So use Venmo to send and receive, open, etc. So how do I set up myself to send money from Venmo account to my PayPal account? You'll have to click on the Me tab on the Venmo account. Is going to be or Venmo interface. It's going to be at the bottom right. Click on this settings at the top right corner. Then click on send money to PayPal. Click on send. Enter your PayPal pay name. Enter the dollar amount that you want to send. Click on next. And what you'll need to know, of course, is Visa Plus payment cannot be canceled or reversed. You'll have to keep that in mind, and please ensure that details are correct because payments sent to the wrong pay name or account could be lost forever. So you'll need to confirm the last four digits on your phone number on your PayPal account to complete the payments. It can take up to 30 minutes for the money to get up to the other account, and that's going to be it. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.